So we got a supported Bulgarian split squat here. There's a reason that Dylan is facing inwards to the rack, and that's so that he can have an arm grabbing onto the rack and supporting him as he comes down. He's got his foot back on a barbell, and we like to chuck a barbell pad on there. It'll make it nice and comfortable on the foot, and this setup is way better than doing it on a bench. When Dill comes down, he's going to try and keep that front shin as vertical as he can, and he's really going to sit back into that Bulgarian split squat to get more glute out of it. So notice how he's hinging at those hips. What we also want him to do is to lean over that front leg from the top, and we're going to hold that lean the whole time. So even as he pushes up, we're going to try and maintain that lean over the front foot. Make sure that you're controlling the entire movement. We don't want to be doing so much weight that we're getting all janky in the way that we come down. See how Dill's got a really nice slow descent. He's getting a little pause at the bottom, and then we're going to drive up to that front leg. If you need to drop weight to achieve good reps, then make sure you do that. Don't bounce out of your reps. We're trying to load the glute, and that's going to get the most stretch and work at the bottom. So make sure that you're not doing a weight that's so heavy, and when you're coming down, you're just bouncing straight back up. The goal of a Bulgarian split squat is we're trying to push as much as we can through the single forward leg as possible. So just make sure that you're not loading up that back leg that's sitting on the barbell.